Hi everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw snow cone. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a quick sketch just to make sure I have enough room here. And I should. This is going to be pretty simple, pretty fast. This won't take us very long. But I just want to make sure I have enough room for everything and where I want to put it. Okay, and I know you can't see this. This is mostly for me, just to make sure that like I said, I have enough room for everything. And I can already see that I didn't leave room for his collar. So I'm going to do that, add that real fast, and then I'm going to extend up a little bit more. And that's why we sketch it out first, just to make sure that I have enough room, or that I got everything, because sometimes I forget stuff, you know. I'm just so excited about drawing this, so much fun, that I forget what I'm doing, or I'll forget to add something, you know. Okay, I think I'm about done with the sketch, that I've got everything where I want it. And I'm going to switch over to Sharpie so you can see what we're doing and we can get started. And what I'm going to do is do a basic outline, then add some finer details with this, and you'll see that in a second. So let's just go ahead and just do the whole thing. So I'm going to just start here and go up to at least the collar. That'll give me an edge to start with. I'm going to do like that a little bit, because that's going to be the paw. You know what? Actually, now that I think about that, I like to draw what's the four images in the forefront first, then the stuff behind, and the snow cone is in the front. So let's do that first. That's a good start. It's okay. Let's do this in the middle. We're going to draw the snow cone here. So I'm going to come down and back up like a big V, and then go ahead and connect it. And then it's got a lip on it, so we're going to do another line right around it like that. And we're going to just draw some little something like this. I mean, it's a snow cone, so there's no right or wrong way to do it. So I'm just going to kind of do something like that. Then I'll come back with color and add more bumps and technique like that. Okay? So now that we have this front edge, we can draw everything else. So let's draw the other paw like this, because we're kind of at 3/4 of a side. Okay? So this one's going to be in like this, and we'll go ahead and connect it. That'll also give us an idea of where these other parts are going to go. So that also means that this leg is going to be like that. And then we'll go ahead and connect it down like that too. Okay. And oops, look, we came over a little bit right there. Too bad. Who cares? Doesn't matter. This is our drawing. We do what we want to do, right? This is how I draw. You draw how you draw. And then we're going to have some fun. So let's connect them. And let's go ahead and connect this hand like that too. Okay. And we're going to make it 3/4 view. So I'm going to come down like this and go across. And it's going to go up. And we're going to connect right around here. But he has, this collar is kind of a scarf as well. So it does kind of come over where this line's going to be. So I'm going to draw that first. That way I know where I can stop. Because see, I want it to be like this. And then connect it, because that's in front of this edge right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw the collar slash scarf, and just go across, go underneath that, then come down like that, and there's the scarf. So now we're going to do the head. So let's just go around easy. It's got kind of a curve to it up here. Kind of do like that around here where the ears are going to be. Go straight across. Do the same thing over here on this side, but we're going to do it kind of like this. Watch this. Like that. It's a little bit further over here because of the 3/4. The edge is actually right there, like this. You'll see. You'll see when we color it. So let's add the ears. The ears are just going to be real simple. Going to come up like this and come down. Same thing over here. Up like this, come down, and they're kind of hollow, not hollow, but three-dimensional. So we're going to add this edge right there. And what I mean by three-dimensional is going to make sense here. So for the mouth, we're going to kind of do something like this. We're going to come up and over and down and connect. And we're going to do another one like this, because that's the inside bottom edge of it, okay? So this is going to come up here and go across to about right there, because I'm going to have the nose right there. So it's going to kind of come up a little and down and there. And so see, I wanted it through the line like that. So that's why I wanted to draw it first. And now we're going to just draw the eyes. And I'm just going to do a few more little things with the small Sharpie. And then take care of the rest with color. So just to make it stand out more, I'm going to do a line like that, real thin. And then the paws, I'm just going to do real thin little, I guess these are nails, you know, his fingernails. Do little ones like that. And then his little paw pads. And I like doing stuff like this with thicker and thin because it just makes it stand out more. Makes it stand out just to have some fun artistic style. If you're using a pencil, it doesn't make a difference. I'm just doing that like this with two different pens just to make something my own, you know? And that's what you're going to do. You're going to make yours your own. So I say we color it next, but for now, that's snow cone. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.